All right, here comes the fun part. Now we get to start designing. Now you probably have hopefully you have an idea of what your cereal box is going to look like. If I look at this cereal box, now this is the back, but if I just look at the front here, I need to look at the foreground versus the background. We're going to start with the background. So in this case, it's going to be a big white box and then a triangle here, and then you can load in your logo and everything on top. The font won't come first, the font will come last. So if I go to my document here, I have to change the background color. So what I can do is I can click on the paint bucket here, and then if I click on this top color here, I get every color of the rainbow. So when I go back to this, I need like this color blue. So I'll go to blues and I'll pick something close enough, and I will click on the paint bucket tool to change this. Now I need to put in this white square, so I'm going to go to my shape tool here. Now if you right click, you will find more tools. In this case, I'm going to go to the rectangle tool and I'm going to draw a new shape, and actually I'm going to fill that then with my paint bucket tool. I'm going to click on it and it will say, do I have to rasterize? Just say yes, and then you click and it will fill it. Now look over here, I now have new layers. Okay, I can move it around with this tool here. I can resize this, so if I need to resize this, I will show you how to do that in the next lesson. Okay, and then if I click on that again, I can go to the custom shape tool. I can go here. Now you won't have all these. What you have to do is you have to click on this little arrow here, and you will go to symbols and we'll say replace. You do not want to hit OK. You want to hit append, and they will add all these different shapes. Now I already had those added, but here's the triangle. Then I can draw the triangle then for the upper corner, and I can choose which color later on. I can go in with my picker tool, pick a yellow, I can fill it. Okay, oops, there we go. All right, and then in the next video I'll show you how to rotate.